Okay, so I'm trying not to be too loud in my new place. I love it here. But right now, what we got, not easy to go to sleep into. Not easy to sleep at all right now after watching this. I've never seen lightning flash this fast in forever. And I don't know if I should be standing close to this door. You see, I'm actually watching both of my cars right now. Like, I go out there right now, the hair could probably stand up on the side of my head, and lightning is only 1/10 of a mile from where I'm at right now. Unbelievable. Like, it's wild. Very wild. Now I wonder why. Now I see why my friends are worried so much on Facebook about where they are. And I think I forgot to deadbolt my door earlier. So this door opened on its own because of the wind. And I made sure I deadbolted it so it probably won't happen again. I must have forgotten to. You know, I came back home probably about 9:30 or 10, just doing me, you know, enjoying this new place, you know, letting people visit. And now we got this. You can barely see that Lincoln. But, oh, it's giving that impressive shine to the my truck right now as it does this. Oh man, but like, if I hadn't jumped off that couch fast, there would have been no Moses. Like, no kitty whatsoever anymore left for me. And I didn't even put a microchip in that little guy. I don't know, I just don't believe in microchipping my pets, if I can help it. Cancer risks everything, but it's making me rethink. I want to put a microchip in that cat. I'm considering it now, even though I don't believe in it. Like, that is almost like the lights flickering on and off, because it goes from looking really dark outside to like something from like a TV film. Like, I don't remember seeing this. Like, they say tornado watch until 4 a.m. Don't know if I want to take anything to go to sleep right now or not. Dang.